Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated machines in the heavy equipment world, the Caterpillar D15 2026. Whether you're in construction, mining, or any earth-moving operation, this new release from Caterpillar is going to grab your attention. It's built for power, precision, and performance. And today, we're going to break down what makes this machine so special. So sit tight, because this is more than just a dozer. It's a serious evolution in machinery tech. Let's start with the core of the D15, the engine. Caterpillar has equipped this model with a next-generation C18 Tier 4 final engine that delivers around 550 horsepower. That's a significant bump from previous models in this weight class, but it's not just about raw power. What's impressive here is how efficiently this engine runs. Thanks to advanced fuel injection technology and improved combustion control, the D15 delivers more torque while actually burning less fuel. That means longer hours on the job without the extra cost at the pump. And let's not forget the quieter operation. Compared to older models, you'll notice a considerable drop in engine noise, making this dozer much more site-friendly. Now, when it comes to pushing performance, the D15 is a beast. The new load-sensing hydraulic system responds in real time to varying ground conditions, allowing the machine to adapt without losing momentum. This translates to smoother grading, more efficient ripping, and an overall more responsive feel when you're behind the controls. And yes, the blade control has also received a major upgrade. It's now electronically managed, giving operators precision control at the push of a button. Whether you're working on fine finish work or heavy-duty pushing, you've got the sensitivity and power to get the job done right. And speaking of blades, let's talk about options. The D15 comes with a range of blade configurations, including the U-blade for heavy loads, the S-blade for precision work, and a semi-U for a little bit of both. Each blade is built from high-strength steel and optimized for reduced resistance and maximum wear life. They've even reworked the mounting system to make blade swaps faster and safer. Now, one of the big talking points is the tech packed into this machine. Caterpillar didn't hold back. The D15 2026 is equipped with CAT grade with 3D standard. That's right, standard. This integrated system uses GPS and onboard sensors to automatically adjust blade position to match your design plan. No more second-guessing grades or relying solely on spotters. With 3D guidance, your passes are more accurate, and rework becomes a thing of the past. And if you're working in areas with poor satellite coverage, the inertial measurement units pick up the slack to keep everything smooth and on track. Inside the cab, it's a whole different world. If you're used to older dozers, stepping into the D15 will feel like entering a luxury vehicle. The new operator environment features a fully adjustable air suspension seat, 10-inch touchscreen display, customizable controls, and even climate-controlled comfort. Noise insulation has been improved, vibrations are dampened, and visibility is better than ever, thanks to the redesigned cab structure and 360-degree camera system. You can literally see everything around you without turning your head too much. Which isn't just a convenience, it's a major safety upgrade. Let's not forget about maintenance. The D15 was designed with uptime in mind. Daily checkpoints are accessible from ground level, and most service panels are now grouped and easier to open. The integrated diagnostic system not only alerts you to issues in real time, but also provides step-by-step instructions to resolve them. And for fleets using CAT Product Link, you can monitor everything remotely, from fuel usage and idle time to maintenance schedules and fault codes, right from your laptop or mobile device. That kind of connectivity is a game changer for fleet managers. Durability-wise, the D15 is built to handle extreme conditions. Caterpillar has reinforced the undercarriage with heavy-duty rollers and redesigned track links for extended life. The frame is more robust, the final drives are larger, and all high-stress components have been upgraded using finite element analysis to reduce failure risk under maximum load. This means less time in the shop and more time working, which is what everyone wants at the end of the day. And for those thinking about emissions and compliance, yes, the D15 meets all current EPA and EU standards. It uses a combination of DEF, a diesel particulate filter, and a selective catalytic reduction system to keep emissions ultra-low. And the regeneration system? It's automatic and seamless, so you don't have to interrupt work to clean things. Now let's talk about customization. Caterpillar understands that no two job sites are the same. That's why the D15 offers a wide range of factory-installed options, from winches and rippers to specialized lighting packages and operator assist features. You can even order it with remote control capabilities, which is a huge plus for hazardous environments like landfills, quarries, or demolition zones. Imagine being able to operate this 100,000-pound machine from a safe distance with zero compromise in control. That's the kind of future forward thinking we're seeing here. So who is the D15 for? Honestly, it's for anyone serious about moving Earth. Whether you're running a large-scale mining operation, managing a heavy civil project, or building roads in remote terrain, the Caterpillar D15 gives you the power, precision, and reliability to do more with less effort. And with a total redesign focused on operator comfort, digital control, and long-term durability, it's clear that Caterpillar has built this machine not just for today's work, but for the demands of the next decade. All right, that wraps up our deep dive into the Caterpillar D15 2026. If you're in the market for a top-tier dozer that combines raw power with cutting-edge tech, this machine deserves a serious look. Let us know in the comments what you think about the D15. Is it the dozer you've been waiting for? Or are there features you'd like to see improved in future models? And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more heavy equipment reviews, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next job site.